Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of contacting WhatsApp support on PC. If you have any questions, concerns, or need assistance with WhatsApp, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your PC by double-clicking on the app icon. Step 2. Once WhatsApp is open, click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the Settings menu. Step 3. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Help tab and click on it. Step 4. Look for the Contact Us option under the Help tab and click on it. Step 5. A new window will open where you can fill in your message. Take your time to explain your issue or question in detail. Step 6. After composing your message, click on the Send button to submit your query to WhatsApp support. By following these quick and easy steps, you can reach out to WhatsApp support directly from your PC. They will assist you with any concerns or issues you may have. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.